Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Your question got an answer with Teacher Emmanuel. So today we are going to answer questions in a very quick video. Your question got an answer. The answer is very simple. If you can replace the word by he or she, then use who. If you can replace the word by him or her, then use whom. Who is a subjective pronoun. Whom is an objective pronoun. What do I mean by that? I'll break it down for you. So when I say I use who as a subjective pronoun, is the subject of the sentence who makes the action. You got it? So when I say we use whom as an objective pronoun, so it's the object of the sentence which who received the action. I'll give you a couple of examples so you can understand it better. This is the teacher who gave me English class. This is the teacher who gave me English class. That teacher or he makes the action of giving me class. This is the girl who sang last night. This is the girl who sang last night. That's the girl, she made the action of singing last night. You got it? Now I'll give you an example of whom, which is the object of the sentence. Whom do you like the best? Whom is the object of like. Whom received the action of like. What I'm gonna do, I'll place a couple of examples here in the video so you will have a better idea of how to differentiate the use of who or whom. Got it? Did you understand the example I just put there? Cool. So that was all for today. See you for the next video. Goodbye. Please do not forget to like. If you would like to see more video, please subscribe. Goodbye. That was Your Question Got an Answer with Teacher.